What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I made my Lexus sound amazing for free. So I've had this car for 2.5 years now, and when I got it, it had an extremely old, no name, probably eBay catback exhaust, and a couple years ago it was in poor condition. And time took its toll on it, and about a week ago the hangers broke off of it and it was just dangling, and I just now got around to fixing it. But my fix I did not film. I was kind of in the middle of doing the starter on this car and I wasn't in the mood for filming, but I decided to cut the muffler off this car and it sounds absolutely amazing. It's not obnoxiously loud. I mean, it's definitely not quiet, but it sounds so good. So good. But I'll show you how it sounds at the end, because we're going to put a finishing detail on it, because just cutting the muffler off, it isn't legal because now there's no tailpipe. So I'm going to put this car further up in the air and I'll show you the rest of the exhaust that I have and what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you how amazing it sounds. Let's get to it. So this is the old crappy rusty 309 stainless steel muffler that rusted to crap, and the hanger is broken. It was dangling real low like this. You can see the two holes right here where the hangers broke off, and I was like, man, what am I gonna do to fix this? I don't really feel like buying a catback exhaust or whatever. And Tony was like, you should just cut it. So I did what any right-minded guy would do when his friend tells him to cut something, and I cut it. So now I have this tailpipe that is not legal, not like many things I have are illegal, but it doesn't exit the body line of the car. And actually, if I'm driving at low speeds with the window down, exhaust actually gets inside of the car. I guess because one window down makes it low pressure inside and it sucks the exhaust inside, so it's not good. So we're gonna make a tailpipe for this. Before we make the tailpipe, I'll show you the rest of the exhaust so you see what I have, so you're not like screaming at me that I'm having straight pipes, because it's not straight pipes. Let me show you. So it does have a resonator, which I actually replaced last year. This is just some cheap, like $17 Summit Racing straight through glass pack kind of muffler, so it hardly does anything. And it does have a cat here, which I'm pretty sure is still there. I should probably gut it though. And it does have the factory downpipe with the factory cat, so it still has 3 cats and a resonator, which it seriously makes this thing sound amazing. I love it. I think I might like it more than the Supra now. So here's my plan. Got this piece of pipe, which I'll attempt to make a tailpipe. Hopefully I can get it at a good angle. And then I have this tip, which looks a lot worse than the picture on Amazon. It's got like this beveled like cone tip on it, which I hate that. It looked flat in the pictures, but it might look okay. If I can get this to be like that, it might look pretty good. So I've got to line this bad boy up and line this up and somehow get this to work. All right, so this is way too long, obviously. So let's see here. It's about 6.5 inches too long. Sawzall time. If I can get it to be just like that, I think it'd be pretty good. I think it's time we bust out the welder! Yeah, bitch. All right, now you can let go. Woo! She is welded on now, boys. That didn't do anything. All right, time to hear what it sounds like. Keep in mind, No actual muffler, just a little resonator and 3 cats. At least I think they're all there. Sounds awesome. Alright guys, so there you go. That's how I made my IS300 sound amazing for free. All I did was cut the muffler off and it sounds amazing. Now, this might not work for every car, but you never know. Give it a shot, cut it off and see what it sounds like. I only put the tip on there to remain safe and legal. I mean, I didn't care about the welds, I didn't care how it looked, because from here it looks pretty awesome. But, you know, my welds do need some work, I'll admit that, but the car sounds amazing. And it looks okay from 10 feet away. So that's how you make your car sound awesome for free. Give it a shot on your car, see what it sounds like, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.